Okay, so we have this triangle, and we need to work out the sides of angle ACD, which is from A to C to D, so this angle here, okay? Now the problem is that ADC in itself is not a right angle triangle. We can't apply trigonometry directly to this triangle. But what we can do is we can find a right angle triangle ABC, which we can sketch separately in blue. We know B to C is 15, and we know A to C is 21. So what we can do is we can work out this angle here, which is this one there. And then if we think about another right angle triangle, D to B to C, I'll sketch this out separately as well. I'll label this D, B, and C. That will give us this angle, which I'll label here. So a black angle, the one that we need to find, will be the difference between the blue angle, this one, and the red angle, this one. So by labeling these sides, we've got 15 and 9. So if we go back to the blue triangle, we need to label our sides. So we've got the opposite, the hypotenuse, and the adjacent. We know this is the opposite because it's opposite the angle, and the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. And if we write down SOH CAH TOA, we've got the adjacent and we've got the hypotenuse, so we're going to use cos. We'll call this angle here beta. So the cos of angle theta will be the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And then we can work out theta by taking the arc cos of both sides. So theta would be the arc cos of 15 over 21. And we can work this out. And we get the angle theta to be approximately 44.15. Sorry, 415. Now we can go through the same process for the smaller red triangle. This time we know the opposite is 9 and the adjacent is 15. So now we're going to use tan because we've got the opposite and the adjacent. So we'll call this angle, let's call this one alpha. So the tan of alpha will be the opposite divided by the adjacent. We'll take the arctan of both sides. So we'll get alpha will be the arctan of 9 over 15, which gives us approximately 30.964. So now a black angle, let's call this one beta. We know beta will be the difference between the blue one and the red one. So beta works out as 13.45. And we want it to one decimal place, so we'll have 13.5 degrees, okay? Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you want more lessons on trigonometry, you can download them from my website, mrmathematics.com. I'll leave the link in the description below.